The National Weather Service in Cub City has issued a tornado warning for Chick-fil-A County in central Pennsylvania until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles south of Cub City, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cub City around 11:30. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chick-fil-A,
Tornado.